Hi, Claire. I'm just going to walk you through these real quick because it's just easier than trying to explain over email. So the first one asks the measure of angle BED. So BED, that's this angle right here. And it tells you that up here, that angle DBE is 50. So this angle is 50. So if you look at this triangle, you have a 90, a 50, and then something. So to add up to 180, that would have to be 40 degrees for that one. Then number 10, it asks you what x is. So since we know that this is 40, if you look at this picture, you can see this angle here is going to be the same as this angle here, because if we know the distance away from these endpoints is the same and it's perpendicular, then this is an angle bisector. BE is an angle bisector. So what you're going to do for x is you're going to say 7x minus 2 equals 40, and then solve for x there. I'll let you do that one. BE, let's see, they tell you that is 3y. Okay, so if you look at this one, BE here, we're going to look at that as one of the sides of this triangle. This is why this problem is so hard, because there's so many different things going on. Oh, sorry, one sec. Okay, I'm back. So for BE, okay, if we're looking at that blue triangle there, notice we know these two lengths are the same. And we know that it's perpendicular, which means these now have to be equidistant. So then we know that these lengths are the same. And if you notice, they both have a y. One's 3y, one's 5y minus 22. So we're just going to set those equal to each other and solve that for number 12 there. Number 9 asks you what BEA would be. Oh, I went in a weird order here. So BEA, we already kind of talked about. This angle would have to be the same as that angle. Okay. Again, y would come from this. You would solve for y here, and then you would plug it in for BE. And then BC, same thing. Once you know what y is, you would just plug it in for 5y minus 22. So hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have any other questions.